I was cleaning up my music system just the other day and it got me reminiscing about music systems when I was much younger. In fact, I remember always walking into anybody's house, friends or relatives. Everybody always had a rack music system, and by that I mean either individual components like your amp, your tape deck, record player, CD player, and so on, or they'd have just the regular stack that was like an all-in-one. Some had inbuilt record players, and some had CD players, some had tape decks, AM, FM, amps, and you'd have the two speakers on either side. And it just got me wondering what happened. They just slowly sort of died out. I know that everything moved towards wireless stuff. It became portable. It became more accessible on your phones, music players. The Walkman was actually one of the first steps towards making all these things smaller. But there was a time where every man of the house didn't necessarily want the fanciest car. They'd be happy with a simple car, but there'd always be a really good music system at home because he wanted to provide the best sound to his family or enjoy his own music after work. And what really made me start thinking about this all the more was an old colleague of mine actually was looking for a music system, and he was hell-bent on getting a soundbar, and a soundbar has become so standard now because you can broadcast to it via Bluetooth and so on. It's pretty simple to do, but at the same time it just lacks the essence of stereo audio because your soundbar is honestly only about that big or a little bit wider, so you don't get a proper sort of stereo separation from those. You don't get to enjoy music the way it should be, and I honestly think stereo is always the way to go. Even if it's a 2.0 system, it doesn't have to be a 2.1. Stereo, there's something magical with it when you get the right placement. So it just got me wondering about it because it just died out all of a sudden over the last maybe 20 years. I think the last really cool systems that came out were Sony gained a lot of popularity with their all-in-one systems, really nice speaker setups. They did have 4 channels, they did have 5 channels, and so on. Let me know down in the comments what you have or what you had while growing up or what your dad had, because this is something that's just passed by, that it whipped by. Nobody even realized that we had something really good. No doubt you can get some of these things in the second-hand market now. I've seen some stuff on Facebook Marketplace and all, but nobody's making these things anymore. There might be some very small boutique brands that are doing it, but it's something that's just disappeared over time that I think was really cool. So anyway, let me know down in the comments what you have or what you had or what your dad had, and I'll see you in the next one.